My topic is Internet Marketing in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the starts. Internet marketing refers to the use of the Internet to promote a product or service. This can include tactics such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, social media marketing, content marketing, and email marketing. The goal of Internet marketing is to reach a wider audience and drive more sales or leads for a business. Internet marketing is the process of promoting a product or service using the Internet as the medium. This can include tactics such as marketing. The goal of Internet marketing is to reach a wider audience and drive more sales or leads for a business. Internet marketing is an all-inclusive term for marketing products and services online. This includes a variety of methods and platforms for communicating with customers, such as website, email, social media, and online advertising. What is Internet marketing? Internet marketing refers to the strategies used to market products and services online and through other digital means. These can include a variety of online platforms, tools, and content delivery systems, such as website content and design, email marketing, social media, blogging, video/podcasting, online ads, sponsorships and paid promotions. While Internet marketing's apparent purpose is to sell goods and services, or advertising over the Internet, it's not the only reason a business will do it. A company may be marketing online to communicate a message about itself, building its brand, or to conduct research. Online marketing can also be an effective way to identify a target market, discover a marketing segment's wants and needs, build long-term relationships with customers, or establish authority and expertise within an industry. Alternate names: e-marketing, web marketing, digital marketing. Internet marketing uses customers' online activity to connect them with a business by reaching them in a variety of places on the Internet. The types of Internet marketing a business uses will depend on the business model, types of products, target customers, budget, and more. Website content and design. A business website allows customers to find your business online, learn your business's location or contact information, discover your products or services, sign up for your email list, request more information, make purchases. Websites often use search engine optimization, SEO, to ensure that their content will rank high on search engines and be easy for customers to find. Email marketing. You can use email for sending direct mail electronically, rather than through the post office. Collect customer emails either through purchases or website sign-ups, then use emails to share important information, encourage purchases, or website sign-ups, then use emails to share important information, encourage purchases, and build relationships. Email allows you to reach customers individually and personally. A 2019 retail study looking at more than 1 billion shopping sessions found that email marketing had a conversion rate of 2.5%, compared to only 1.1% for social media. The highest conversation rate was direct referral, at 3.0%. Social media. Most consumers use some kind of social media, though the type you will focus on will depend on the behavior of your target market. More than 90% of 18 to 29-year-olds use social media of some kind, and while use decreases with age, it can still be used to reach consumers in all age brackets. More than 60% of those over age 65 use some kind of social media, and those numbers are likely to keep growing. 2. Older consumers are more likely to use a platform like Facebook, for example. Millennials often use Instagram, and younger consumers are more interested in video platforms, such as TikTok or YouTube. Find out where your ideal customers spend their time and focus your efforts there. Blogging. Blogging allows you to increase your website's SEO by adding articles and posts around certain targeted keywords. This increases the likelihood that customers will find and visit your website as a result of online search. Blogging. You can also write for other people's blogs, magazines, or websites. This can increase your audience and put your business in front of more potential customers. Video and podcasting. Some creators who make videos or podcasts use that as their sole business. Other times, businesses use these platforms to establish expertise, connect with others in the industry, and create a funnel for new customers to find and develop an interest in their products or services. Podcasts especially are growing in popularity. More than 100 million Americans listen to podcasts every month. 3. Online ads. Online ads can take a variety of forms. Pay-per-click advertisements placed in search engines. Target particular search terms the potential customer might use. Targeted ads on social media designed to reach specific segments of the platform's users who might be interested in your business's products, services, and promotions. You can also place sidebar ads on other people's websites or in their email marketing. Online ads are most effective when they are congruent, or relevant to where they appear or what the target audience is searching for. Personalization can also increase the response rate to online ads, especially at the early stage of consumers' decision-making process. However, personalization is most effective when ads appear in congruent locations. 4. Sponsorships and paid promotions. You can take advantage of an audience that someone else has built with sponsorship or paid promotions. These marketing campaigns allow you to pay someone whose audience matches your target market to discuss, use, promote, or share your products and services with their followers. This can both increase brand awareness and drive sales, especially if you pair the campaign with a targeted promo code or special offer. Do I need internet marketing for my business? Internet marketing is increasingly becoming mandatory for businesses of all types. Customers spend lots of time online every day, including checking email, browsing social media, using search engines, and visiting websites. Consumers use a variety of online methods for finding, researching, and eventually making purchasing decisions. Over 40% of consumers report that they first turn to Google search when looking for a product or service, and 26% of consumers say they shop online every week. However, traffic from social media pages and ads account for around 8% of consumers discovering retail websites. You can take advantage of all these channels by creating broad internet marketing platforms to help potential clients and customers find your business. This is true even if your business is small and local. From 2015 to 2017, Google saw mobile near me searches with some variation of "to buy" or "can I buy" grow by 500%, a figure likely to continue rising. HomeSite. No matter what type of business you have or where you are located, investing in internet marketing can help you build your business, connect with customers, and make sales. Internet marketing is an all-inclusive term for marketing products and services online. This can include website content, email marketing, social media, online ads, sponsorships, and more. The types of internet marketing a business uses will depend on the business model, types of products, target customers, and budget. No matter the type or size of your business, you can use multiple online platforms and ways of communicating to create a broad internet marketing plan that helps potential clients and customers find your business. Internet marketing, also called digital marketing or online marketing, involves promoting a brand and its products or services to online audiences using the internet and digital media. With internet marketing, you use a combination of online strategies to help you build better relationships with your audience and attract more interested leads. Search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search results. This strategy helps you appear in more relevant search results, so you can drive more qualified traffic to your site. Much of SEO involves increasing your rank in search by using techniques to research and incorporate search terms, keywords, that your target audience uses into your content. Generate high-quality content that provides your audience with relevant answers to the questions they make. Improve user experience by improving web design. Earn backlinks from authoritative sources in your industry to gain an online reputation. Content marketing. Content marketing strategy focuses on sharing valuable, industry-relevant information with your audience. With quality, relevant content, you can build up an attentive audience and get them to check out your business. Content comes in numerous forms including blog posts, infographics, videos, ebooks, podcasts, and more. The important thing to remember with your content marketing strategy is to create content often. Content marketing is all about consistency. The more that you post online, the more people that your content marketing will reach. For your content marketing to produce the best results, your content needs to be high quality, which means your content easy to read. The vocabulary is around an 8th grade reading level. Researched, it integrates your target keywords and answers your audience's questions clearly, succinctly, and accurately. Unique, it adds relevant information to the discussion in your own style. Interesting, it generates a good experience for your reader. Error-free, it's grammatically correct. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Online paid advertising generally involves paid search ads and display ads. Most online paid advertising functions on a pay-per-click basis, where businesses pay for the ad only when users click. Much of the benefit of online ads comes from the fact that most online ads are less intrusive than their traditional ad counterparts like billboards or cold calling. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising is one of the best internet marketing strategies to drive traffic to your site quickly at a low cost. With PPC advertising, you can easily appear high in search results, and the return is high since you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Social media advertising. Social media advertising is also another cost-effective internet marketing strategy to start generating an online presence. If you want to use social media advertising, you'll need to choose which platforms you want to use to reach your audience. Popular social media advertising platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube. Social media platforms gather a plethora of information on users that you can use to target your ideal audiences, the ones that are most interested in what you have to offer. Pulling in these audiences with a wide variety of engaging social media ad types will boost your traffic and engagement, as well as your sales and conversions. Social media networks provide a great opportunity to market online because of how easy it is to use the networks to share information. That's why social media marketing is a great option for your business. Email marketing enables you to connect one-on-one with leads interested in your products or services. There are several different types of emails you can send, but some of the most popular ones are newsletters, customer service, follow-up, loyalty/rewards, recommendations, promotions. You can also take advantage of the advanced targeting and personalization options that come with email internet marketing strategies. With emails, you want to hit users with reminders and deals when they're most likely ready to convert. Web design. The web design of your site is vital for online marketing. Your website acts as your business's central hub. Your presence and activities on other online platforms most often lead your customers to your website where they can convert. A good portion of website marketing focuses on building websites that appeal to your audience and gets them to continue engaging on your page. Having a good design means making sure that your user experience, UX, is flawless. UX design involves aspects like creating a modern design unique to your business, implementing easy-to-use navigation and layout, making design responsive on any device, securing user data, providing fast load times. Monitor your strategies. For internet marketing strategies to drive the best results, you need to analyze the data from your campaigns. Online data tracking tools such as Google Analytics can help you keep track of data from your internet marketing strategy in real time. This platform is great for SEO and PPC strategies. You can track how many people visit your site, how long they stay on your pages, how many people click your ad, how many conversions you receive, and more. The metrics these tools pull in will help you determine how well your internet marketing strategy performs. This data will help you optimize your internet marketing strategy. By monitoring your campaign's performance, you can see what's working and not working for your business. As a result, you can optimize your tactics to drive better results for your business. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.